Here we want to talk about adding and subtracting polynomials. So for this example, we have one polynomial subtracted from another. We have 7x squared plus 4x plus 7 minus the polynomial negative 8x plus 2. And this works very much like we're just combining terms, right? Let's see. So let's distribute this negative here through to the second term. The first term is just going to hang out, 7x squared plus 4x plus 7. Okay. Minus, well, let's see, minus and minus makes it a plus. We have plus 8x minus 2. Next, we combine like terms, right? So the 4x and the 8x go together, and the 7 and the minus 2 go together, giving 7x squared plus 12x plus 5. All right. So subtracting one polynomial from another polynomial gave us a new polynomial. Much like we can subtract two numbers and get a new number, we can subtract two polynomials and get a new polynomial. Same works with adding. We can multiply two polynomials and get a new polynomial. Doesn't always work out with dividing though, unfortunately. So there's a lot of analogy between numbers and polynomials up to a point, but oftentimes when you divide polynomials, you get something with remainders, which is no longer a polynomial. We'll get to that. Let's try another one. Here we have three polynomials. We have quantity negative x squared plus 1 minus the quantity x squared minus 3 plus the quantity 5x squared minus 6x plus 7. So each one of these is a polynomial, right? We have a binomial, and a trinomial. All right? Well, note that the parentheses on this first one are completely unnecessary. So let's make that negative x squared plus 1, just drop the parentheses. And now let's take this negative and distribute it through to the second polynomial here. So that gives us minus x squared plus 3. And then this third one, right, it's just a plus in front, so we actually don't need these parentheses here either. So I'm just going to drop them, plus 5x squared minus 6x plus 7. Then it's just an issue of combining like terms again. Let's see, we have these x squareds. All right, and well, we have this, let's see, there's only one x term, so that's just going to hang out by itself. And then we have a few constant terms. We have a 1, a 3, and a 7. All right, so let's do it up. So minus x squared plus 5x squared is 3x squared. Minus 6x just hangs out there. Now we move on to the constants. We have 1 plus 3 plus 7. That gives us 11. So plus 11 here. And notice that we write it in descending order for our exponents. So we have x to the 2, here we have x to the 1, and then here technically we have x to the 0, which is just 1. Okay, so we go 2, 1, 0. You always want to write this in descending form for the exponents. As we go from left to right, we want the exponents to go down. We call this standard form for a polynomial. Standard form. Okay, so that's a lot of extra stuff in there, but yeah, just always write it that way. You wouldn't want to write negative 6x plus 3x squared plus 11. That wouldn't be in the right order. Okay, there we have it.